Abs here from Burton Chevrolet Buick GMC, giving you a quick video on our brand new 2022 GMC AT4 6.6 liter V8 gasser. Brand new, 0 miles on it, just came in, full tow package, technology package, multi-pro tailgate spray and bed liner. Check out those big aggressive tires on that thing. Full leather interior, heated, cooled seats, the works on this truck. She is ready to pull whatever you need, ready to work. Look how aggressive that thing looks. Check out the inside. It is just as beautiful with your keyless entry, remote start, plastic still on the seat. Check out the Kalahari inserts on that thing. Let's hop on in here. Check this out. You do have your automatic four-wheel drive heads-up display controls, forward collision, heated wheel, built-in navigation along with the HD camera mirror there, lane deviation warnings, heated and cooled seats, dual climate control, Bose stereo system, power rear sliding window with full crew cab for plenty of people in the back. She is ready to roll for you wherever you need to go. Will not last long. Give me a shout, 262-473-6060. Thanks a lot.